In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for Claude AI. Whether you're an enthusiastic tech explorer or just someone looking to enhance your productivity, getting started with Claude AI is easy and only takes a few simple steps. Let's dive into the process and ensure that you have a smooth onboarding experience. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Claude AI website. As you arrive on the homepage, you'll be greeted with a variety of options tailored to make your online journey straightforward. You'll notice a couple of paths to choose from when it comes to signing up. You can click on Continue with Google, which is a convenient option that allows you to use your Google account credentials, or you can enter your email address and select Continue with Email. If you decide to use your Google account, the process is simple. By clicking on Continue with Google, you'll be prompted to sign in with your Google credentials, and just like that, you're in. However, if you prefer the email route, there are just a few more steps. After entering your email address, keep an eye on your inbox. You should receive a secure login link sent directly from Claude AI. This email is essential to verifying your identity, so if you don't see it right away, don't forget to check your spam or junk folders. Once you locate the email, open it and click on the provided link. This step confirms your email address and is crucial for securing your account. At times, depending on security protocols, you may be prompted to complete phone verification. If you receive this prompt, just follow the on-screen instructions. It's typically a quick process involving entering your phone number and receiving a confirmation code. Once the email and potential phone verification are complete, you'll be directed to a page to enter your name. Providing your real name enhances your user experience, making interactions more personalized. After that, you're ready to finish the account setup. Now you're all set to start exploring the features Claude AI has to offer. Initially, you'll be placed on the free plan, which is a fantastic way to get acquainted with everything the platform can do. This plan allows you to explore a variety of tools and functionalities without any cost. However, as you grow more comfortable and discover the value Claude AI brings to your daily tasks, you might consider upgrading to a paid plan for access to even more advanced features. So that's it. In just a few minutes, you've successfully signed up for Claude AI. Remember, whether you stick with the free plan or decide to upgrade, Claude AI is here to help streamline your workflow and bring a new level of efficiency to your digital life. Thanks for joining me today, and enjoy exploring all that Claude AI has to offer.